Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, Bitcoin, as you can see, yesterday we did spike a little bit higher. And for a moment, we're kind of doing a side consolidation here. So we're moving, oops, didn't select it. We're moving really on the side pretty much, right? So that's actually, it's a good thing. This one is still there. It's a good thing because if I bring the error size, that's 1 hour. So we were high here, right? Actually, we're higher here. Then now we are kind of chilling off. Well, that's 1 hour. Let's go see 4 hours. You can see more really the RSI, cooling off. Let's go on the 12 hours also. Yeah, so I honestly believe that if we continue like this, we could do I have another chart here. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so we can count 5 wave, but this 5th wave maybe it can extend. Now there is a possibility that first of all a more bullish one could be, and I didn't want to mention at the beginning because well, first of all it wasn't there, but actually did I already mention here? That's the question. Yeah, I think I did. The case that all this was just a wave 1 and this was a wave 2, and I put it in yellow here. Was it? Yeah, because I start and I did the fibs. I don't even remember I did that. That I mentioned it, or maybe I didn't. I just drew it and I didn't say anything. So this is another one, more bullish. That would be that all this would be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, and then we're still working on a 3rd wave, and eventually we're going to do a 4th and a 5th wave. Another one could be possible. It's just that we had an A, B, C for the wave 1, and then this was the 2, 3, 4, 5. But also, all this could be just an A, this could be a B, and this could be a C. And this, I did mention it because the 1-to-1 ratio, it's exactly this one, 66:191. So with that, we do have a few scenario here. I'm going to put it in yellow so we know which one is which. And actually, you know what? I'm going to change a little bit because it's going. Anyway, this micro counting, we don't need it anymore. This 5th wave, I'm going to keep it for a moment. And this, I'm just going to move it here. A, B, and where is the C? Oh yeah, here. And so this one, I'm going to put it in red. All right, so it makes more sense. So just to make a quick overview. So the red count would be that this is the A, this is the B, and we're looking for the C. As you can see, we reacted to the 0.786 fib extension. But ideally, 1-to-1 wave would go to the wave, wave C 1-to-1 ratio. So it would go to 66:191. Can go even a little bit higher and extend. So this is more, it's more bearish if you want, because we're going to have another big diagonal, right? And then after that, we're going to have an A, B, C for the wave 2. So means it can go a little bit deeper. Now, we do have the yellow count, which is more bullish. And this would be just a 1, this would be a 2, and now we're making this 3rd wave. Now, because, can we count 5 wave here on, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. And then we have an A, B, C. But then here we have a 1, 2. Yeah, maybe we can count this as a 3 and all this is a 4, and we're still waiting for a 5. I'm doing micro counting for a moment. so these are the possible count that are a little bit more bullish, because otherwise we do have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but it's not an amazing one. Let's, I mean, it's not very bullish. It's kind of chubby, not chubby, choppy, seriously. And all right, so let's go Ethereum now. Ethereum, actually, it's looking good. We we can count once again. This is a B, and a C. Let me check here now, because I do have a problem with that. I need to change A, B, and C. So I'm going to put it in yellow, so that we know that this A, B, C, since the ABC count is in yellow, these are the resistance. And we did already pass the 1-to-1 ratio. We did reach the 1.236. And it looks like maybe Ethereum is willing to go and try to reach the 1.38. And for sure, if we start to get higher, then I'm going to flip this into orange. And what is orange? It's actually, that's amazing, because it's the same Fibonacci extension, but instead of counting this as a B, and a C, I'm going to give it a shot for this is a 1, this is a 2, and all this is a 3. And then to do that, minimum we need to reach the 1.38, and ideally if we can even push higher and reach the 1.618, then that would be well, I don't want to say a deal done, but no, probabilities are much higher that we're going to maybe have a 5-way up. But then even reaching higher levels here, we still very important to to have a decent and very nice structure wave 4, and after that I have a 5th one to really start to be reliable as a count. And then for sure after that we need to have an ABC, always the same thing, 3-wave down. We need to draw a fib retracement, and price need to react about that level. Now, yesterday I did tell you I can draw this uptrend line, and for the moment it's holding there. Looks like and then also price. Let me see here. Do I see a descending triangle? I don't think so. Let me see here. It looks like more a downtrend parallel. What did I do? What did I do? Okay, maybe because it can move a little bit. Not a crazy one. I mean, I would have been very happy if we would see something like that. Because that would be an amazing bullish pattern. Yeah, so it's contracting, downtrend channeling. More likely, I do see price reaching this light blue uptrend, and then maybe we can have another spike. Let's go and check out the RSIs. Can we? All right. Thank you, internet. Don't know why today internet it's a little bit slow. So we did have a peak here, which makes sense in a way, because this is supposed to be our 3rd wave. And then after that, now we are chilling off. And we did already chill off right here for the 4th wave. But now I'm considering if indeed this is a 1-2 and all this is part of the 3rd wave, which would make more sense. And then we're going to have a 4th and a 5th. Anyway, I need to still check for that. But so I just want to mention that, because we have a nice 1-2 into a diagonal though, and yeah, I can count this. It's not crystal clear, honestly. Can I count this as a this is ABC for the B, and the C it's too short, I would say. So we need something you need to stretch a little bit higher. So I'm expecting price honestly to go a little bit higher. So let's see how it goes with that. RSI resetting, very good. Let's go on the 12 hour just to have an idea. So, you know, we just tip into the overbought, so you can stay there for a, you know, a little time. As you can see, can we have any other? You see, we did stay, look at that, right? So it's not because it's so overbought that price has to reverse right away. It can stay there for a long time and price can keep going up. So I'm checking this trend line, that it's a momentum line. If we start to break this line, then, you know, I'm going to pay attention how it does it and the structure. And after that, more likely we could say, okay, fine, then 5-way up completed. So then I cannot expect for a higher fifth wave. And I could say maybe this was indeed the top of the third wave and we're making this correction. But for a moment, we're not there yet. And also, I think I did it yesterday. Let me just double check. I think so. Okay, so we went a little bit higher, so I need to adjust that. So if this is the top of the third wave, then, you know, you can see where are the next retracements levels. Also, we do have the MA50 here. So it's very good, honestly. For once, I shouldn't say for once, but at least now Ethereum is showing some signs of strengthness, and very happy with that. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.